Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how you can use the example app demo of Matomo in order to be able to track an existing Android app and show to any of your clients or anyone about how it looks like when you track an Android app with Matomo. So of course, the first thing first that you need to have Android Studio or another software in order to create some Android app. Then you need to download the project of Matomo. So that's the following one. So in order to download it, there are several ways that you can do it because that's on GitHub. But the way I will do it is that I just click over here. I just get the link over here. Then what I do is that I create a dedicated folder. So I'm just gonna call it like 00 demo app, and that's the date of the day. Okay. So I enter within my folder and I just download the file, and then I just unzip it. Unzip apps. Okay. So at this step, what do I have is that I now have my my demo app project. I'm just entering within it, and then what I do is that I just open it up with Android Studio. So once Android Studio is loaded, what you need to do is that you need to change the location of the instance. So in order to do so, you will need to access to the file name demo app. So that's what I'm going to do over here. So I'm just going to take this given URL, okay, and I just need to remember which ID site it is. I don't remember, so I'm just gonna double check it here. Tracking code. So I want to send the data to the number 54. All good. So let's go over here. I go within the example app. I just go within the Java file. I just pick up the demo app one. I just change these parts here. So pay attention. You still want to have the Matomo PHP, which represents the tracker. And here we said it was the number 54. So 54. So here I write 54. Next big thing is that when it's gonna run, it's gonna tell you that there's an error within the Gradle system. It requires a lower version of Gradle, so you need to go over here. Oops, sorry. You need to go at the project level, so Gradle script. You need to click on, I think that's the one. Yes, and here you need to change and turn it to 7.3.1. Once you do so, then you can build it up. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna refresh the full thing. So once it's finished, you can launch the emulator. Of course, it means that the emulator needs to be installed on your Android Studio. That's what I'm gonna do. Apps. So it's gonna create the app. And then you can go back in the visit log. Okay. Okay, blah blah blah. So Gradle finished, build the analyzer, and I can run the emulator. So this is how the app look like. So typically you have the possibility to track some screen view. You can track some custom variable. You can add some e-commerce item. You can do everything which is indicated here, plus many other things. Okay, so here I clicked on the button, and what is happening over here in the log cat is that you are getting the list of the different interactions which are getting so event added to the queue, blah blah blah. So for example, when I click over here, oops, log cat, you see it get event added to the queue. So everything is in fact added to the queue up to you click on dispatch. When you click on dispatch, it's making the connection and send a request with all the different data. So here we are at 9 a.m. So normally if I refresh, I should get 9 a.m. So all the different events that I sent, as you can see, the goal and custom var and everything has been pushed to Matt. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.